Hey gang, Carl here. Another video of a TorqHead install. I'm not going to roll the tape for the whole thing, but I'll just talk about John Zupka's car here. It's a 95 Impala SS, getting the full treatment of TorqHead and the tune. The neighbor, like a half an acre away, is doing some chainsaw, if you hear that in the background. Anyway, the kit for 95 Impala signal kit. All right, the crank hub, and it has the reluctor, dual row reluctor. You need knock sensors, 96 style knock sensors. You may need a jumper for power, and a really nice OBD2. I'll wire this up to replace the OBD1. Here's the shimming kit where this is the I guess the feeler, so you know the exact amount of distance for between the sensor and the reluctor. And there's shims inside here. This is John's intake, setting off to the side, still hooked up to nitrous. Spark plug wire terminations, the wire harness between the PCM and the main torque. Well, this is the TorqHead harness. And then the coils are in here, and the PCM. For the PCM, you can't just order any PCM. You order for your specific car. The automatic 95s and earlier have hardware or special treatment by TorqHead so that the transmission can run. 96s and later are not as special, but they are different PCMs. But if you got a 95 computer, a 95 car or earlier, it's important that Paul DeBoer at TorqHead knows. There's other things I'm going to do to the car, but anyway, this had trims. This had like all kinds of billet trim plates, and I took that all off, took the valve covers off because they're going to need longer bolts. These valve covers come with a nice bolt like that, but the coils aren't going to fit, so I do a longer stud and a nut, and I'll have to work on that. And the headers are going to get changed out, but I'm probably just going to run the car first, get it tuned, and then work on the headers later. Maybe one thing at a time. Spark plugs, since the car had a marginal OptiSpark, the spark plugs are all fouled. These are the 1357. So I'm going to change spark plugs while we're at it. It's easier that way. And that's it in a nutshell, I guess. So the first thing going on will be this, and then the hub, because many times you can't put the hub on first and then try to get this on over the reluctor. It's not as easy. So like this will be on, and you'll try to get this on, but it won't get over the reluctor while you're trying to get it into the pin at the Opti. So I make sure I put this on first all the time. Then I make sure I double check, triple check that will it need a spacer or not. This is a 95, it will need a spacer to take the place of a stock reluctor. All right, Carl, L-Wine engines, take care.